Welcome back to Crypto Talk. Wanted to give you guys a quick overview of where we are, state of the state. Personally, I think we're going to bounce soon. I've been wrong before, but we have an intersection of support coming in. I'm starting here on the 1 hour. Support resistance flip is that 60,000 roughly mark, 60,100. I think it's 123. You've also got the monthly VWAP coming in here, roughly speaking, about 59,875 in worst case scenario. You've also got support here of 59,553 as the yearly VWAP. You got a point of control for this entire move up the range wise at 59,250. I've also marked previously 59,100 is a really huge, strong level to hold. And then if you lose all of that, you've got a previous month open, which would be a target sitting at a 59,000, basically, we'll call it 980. So I'm looking for a bounce soon. None of my indicators are showing a bounce coming in the near future in terms of the local stuff I've got. Let me zoom in for you. This is also Coinbase. This is an actual perpetual futures chart. We do have some rounding curvature on market Cipher B and a bull div actually, so that looks good on the 24-minute. Nothing's confirmed yet. We are wicking at my drawn in order block support level. I've got it at 60,541. We are currently below that. We're trying to make a move up. We have decreasing price action, increasing momentum here on the 12-minute. Let's jump over to the 6-minute. Still waiting for more confirmation. I'd rather see a move up. Personally, this is catching a falling knife right now. You kind of want to wait for some kind of formation of a bottom here. I'd rather see a breakout than a back test than look for that. That's my opinion. Somewhere in here would be a good entry. If you're a degen, you kind of get in on the second pullback on verification if you understand candle body structure. That's the 6-minute. Let's get on down to the nitty gritty here. 3-minute. Someone's playing with price. Down to the 1-minute. Yeah, 1 minute's trying to form a bottom. This could be, I like the rounding. So far so good on the 1 minute. It's got to prove itself. It's got to give time for these EMAs to drop down so they can flip above those, become more bullish. If you do low leverage longs, this wouldn't be a bad place to enter, not financial advice. High leverage, like I like to do, I'm a little more cautious. So that is the Coinbase chart. Let's zoom back out here to the hourly for you. So that is kind of where we are. We rejected off of the trend line, drawn from candle body closes on the weekly. This is drawn in here in white. The candle body wicks are in yellow from the weekly for the upper trend line. Regardless, we had a rejection. Of course, wartime stuff in FUD doesn't really help things, but we were rejecting regardless. This was a big spot we talked about taking shorts from. I was in Barcelona, so you're welcome. I didn't have time to trade that short. Other charts for Bitcoin, you've got this one over here. A little different. It's like to have different charts. You can see we had like a triple bottom here, which was like a funky inverse head and shoulders. Moved up from there. That wick was down at 52,000. I really do think that's the current bottom we're going to have. We had a higher low. We're now finding support on top of this range from previous. You can see here. It does help to have different views. You can kind of see and add some confidence and confluence. So you pretty much had a breakout of this inverse head and shoulders breakout. Now you're back testing that neckline. This should hold unless there's another black swan event. We'll wait and see. And then my actual trading chart here on MEXC. This is ugly right now. It's got a bunch of colors and crap on it. But you've got us down below the current micro value area low. So we need to get back above that. Not looking too positive at the moment, but this is a fake out. You have, again, increasing momentum. Money flow is wavering, so that's kind of really tricky. But I like the momentum that's curving up. You had maybe potentially this could be a fake out, but I would wait. I wouldn't trade this right now. I'm waiting for more confirmation. All right, I'm watching this other coin called DGen. This was another coin brought up to me by someone in the Jason Casper Discord. I had no idea it existed, but I've had fun trading it. So I think the max you can do is 10 or 20x leverage, so which is smart. I'm doing only 10x, and it makes a lot of money on just 10x. So last night I got in here, and then it did this. Did that number. And of course, I didn't realize it until here. So I did a 44% move when I went to bed. Only was able to realize 24% of that move at 10x. You do the math. It's like a 240% move in value. So I'm waiting for this to kind of come back down. 618's down here. It's losing a lot of the... I'm waiting for also a trigger wave here in market Cipher B. This also could be a head and shoulders pattern if you're not careful. This guy... This could come back up, get rejected here at the point of control from the previous range, and come back down. And that would be somewhere of a target in this previous day EQ level, which is just below this, in between the 618 and the 786. So I am paying a lot more attention to low leverage meme coins. Sometimes they're a lot less stressful than Bitcoin, believe it or not. But that's really about it, guys. I don't have much else for you. Could jump back over here. Yeah, we're kind of cascading. So we'll see. Maybe this is a push down finally to get a SFP this low here at 60,000, roughly 159, and kind of go from there. You want to chat with me? Head over to one of the Discords I'm in. Blockguard's Discord. You got the Fusio Discord. If you're in the Jason Casper Discord, give me a shout. Need some private coaching, head over to my Patreon account. It's in the link below. You need the like market Cipher B. I've got a link is there as well. And other than that, you can head over to Twitter/X and find me at Crypto Blackwall. And I'll talk to you soon. Thanks.